In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Trackmania with Friends. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You are going to be able to play with your friends by opening up the game, selecting play from the main menu, and you have some options when it comes to connecting and playing with your friends. You can either go into the arcade and browse through the online rooms and join them here. As you can see, you have a lot of options in club rooms, and as long as both of you join the same club room, you will be able to play together. Simply pick between one of these rooms here, or alternatively, if you want to have a private room with only your friend, you can go into the royal option and in here create a private party. As you can see, one of you will have to generate a party code, and with this party code you will have to share it to your friend. So copy the code, and your friend has to input the party code over here. Once they enter the party code, they will be able to click OK and join your room. Alternatively, you can also click this option, Invite Players from Ubisoft Connect, and the social option will appear to your left, and you can invite your friends from here. As long as you invite your friends through Ubisoft Connect, or you make a private party and they join using your code, you will be able to play together with your friends. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Trackmania with Friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.